How to turn off efficiency mode on Windows 11. So if you want to turn off your efficiency mode in Windows 11, then what you need to do is you need to simply open up your task manager. So you can simply right click on your taskbar and then you can go for task manager, or you can simply go for your applications or windows and then you can search for task manager. It's the same thing. So enlarge it, and once you're here on the left side you will have a bunch of options, right? You can simply go for the details option, and under details you will have this kind of tab. So here, for example, if you want to turn off the efficiency mode on Windows 11 for the Edge, then what you need to do is simply right click on that and then you will have efficiency mode option. So if you click on the efficiency mode, it has been turned on, right? So the efficiency mode is turned on under the Edge. Here you can see the tick mark. From here you can simply turn on or turn off the efficiency mode on your Windows 11. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.